Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Xiaomi 12 Lite does have the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to find the speakers on this device, and one is right here on top of the device, next one is on top of the screen, and last one is at the bottom right here. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of these speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that confirms that this device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.